Hello, welcome everyone to this cold morning. So I've got a challenge that I'm going to set for myself and I'm going to document it on YouTube. So I am going to post a video every single day in January doing a garden job, whether that be pruning, seeds, just tidying up, maybe some time in the greenhouse, summer house, all that sort of good stuff. But every day I'll be posting a new video of a new job that I've completed in the garden in January. So hopefully you guys will join me. It'll give you, like I'm hoping it's going to give me, some motivation through these colder months. I'm a little bit late to some of my gardening jobs and there's still plenty to do. So hopefully we'll get that done together. So as of tomorrow, first video number 1 will be posted tomorrow around 6 o'clock, and then they will follow on through the whole month of January. But until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. Take care, guys.